In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a demo account on Tradelocker. All you need to do is go to the Tradelocker website and then click on Start Trading here in the top right corner. Now you will need to select whether you want to do broker trading or prop trading. For this tutorial, we are going to do a broker trading demo account, and you want to click on Find a Broker. Basically, how this is going to work, here you will see a list of all of the currently available brokers, and more brokers are going to be coming soon. So basically how this is going to work, you want to select the broker which you like, and then you will click on them, and then you will need to open a demo account with that specific broker. So in this case, we're going to do Hero FX. You want to click on Open Account. Then from this specific broker, you will click on Get Started, and you will need to create an account, like I said, with that specific broker. And once you create an account with the specific broker, then you will get the login credentials, and you can use them here to log in into Tradelocker, and that's essentially how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.